Okay, I know I have been posting, but this is not. I don't think I'm going to be posting a part 2. But here we go. There's not going to be any voice acting, unfortunately. And I'm just tired. Woo! I'm not. Woo! That one. I knew it was coming. Okay. Didn't say anything. This universe, I do smoke, and I flippin' hate it. I hate it. Why did I even think that? No. No. I won't go to bed. Screw you two. Okay. Well, screw you guys. I'm joking. I love you, but please don't make me sleep. I don't like to be tired. Oh, well, wake. I'll see ya.